Hello! On the shop, Grizzly update. How we doing? How we doing? So, as you can see, the table has some slight modifications to it. Me and the old man chucked this table up in the mill today and cut the dovetails off, as you can see. And this is a little chunk of rail from the Z-axis. Yeah, it worked pretty well, surprisingly well. It turned out really nice. So yeah, HGH 15 rails from Hiwin. Got our datum right here for setting them up, crowding them on the rail. Yeah, we were able to leave this strip here and here going down the length of the table. It's nice. I'm happy we were able to keep them because it acts as a nice strong back for the table. But I'm actually not worried about any sort of rigidity or loss of rigidity. If anything, I'm thinking that it should be an improvement from the dovetails, just due to the fact that they're super rigid and there's like no play, and I'm bolting this hardened and ground piece of steel back on, and so yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing this thing work. So yeah, I'll show you guys a couple little closer up shots if the thing will focus. But yeah, you can see where the rail goes right here, and clearance for the car, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Not sure what else to say about it. Yeah. So after that, we're gonna go to working on the saddle. That's gonna be probably a little bit more of a chore. You can see that we're gonna have to get some DevCon liquid steel to fill in this little casting void right here, because the car is actually going to be coming into that area. So there's a little bit of work and modification to do, but for our situation and how we went about this, I'm pretty surprised how well it's working out, because 2 weeks ago I spent 2 weeks building all sorts of sheet metal and covers, and like basically building tons of stuff around the stock table and saddle and ways and whatnot, and to find out that after all that hard work, like, your stuff basically is not going to work because the ways on your table are junk and you have to change everything that's bolted to the tables is a little devastating. So I'm happy that we are able to basically install linear rails on the Grizzly without changing any critical dimensions. I won't have to change any of the things that I've done, so I'm happy. The table will be probably like 100 thousandths taller, and that's due to the fact that we decided that we would want to raise the table up a little bit in exchange for more meat on the saddle, having to remove less to install the cars. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's sort of convoluted and hard to explain, but I'll try to do my best and I'll keep you guys in the loop. So yeah, it's looking like it's gonna work. And yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it at that for right now. So if you got any questions, holla, and if you don't, still holla. All right, take care. Thanks.